I'm Duff, living in Illinois, and grad stuff. So I don't really have much because it's cold. Like, it's half there. I forgot my lights on in the garage for a while, so like a week. The paint, okay? I can't do much on the work on underneath because I'm not going underneath the car. The paint I can work on. Just gonna do some major washing. And then do some sanding. See, I don't want to just go, oh, paint over it and that's it. Well, I don't want that issue. You can see how there's like a dark spot all around there. Can't talk today. The hood, it's a little tiny bit bent here, but see, the angle is up a bit here, so it's not that bad off. These got to get realigned. That's not a problem. All this stuff here is bad. I gotta bring this in and tap that out. I'm not gonna stick with getting chrome all the way on this bumper because I don't do chroming myself, and I might not. Yeah. Most likely it's gonna go black past these strips, and even then I'll try to go black over this strip, but leave the outside shiny, and then I'm just gonna do a super wash, super sanding, and a gloss coat. That's what I'm gonna do. But now I'm thinking, okay, go up to here and maybe do a line all the way up, and I'll wrap it around to the trunk. So that way, because this is all toast. The other side's pretty bad, and I'm not sure if I want to do like stay as much as the gold as possible. I don't know, it's a weird scheme. Like, a lot of the gold is still there, but maybe, well, I know what I do need to do. Thanks, Seth. You don't need to get in here and get it and everything. I have the trim in here somewhere. The back window trim is going black. That's 2 parts. The door stuff. There it is there. Alright, so these 2 pieces, and not that. I'll just put those up there for now. I need to close the door, but this is in the way. I know, it's really dark. Where's the other ones? Maybe they're brown? I have parts everywhere. Uh-oh. Ah, there they are. Besides these pieces. The other one should be in here too. There it is. So these are going to go black as well. So that's something I can do. I can paint those. And can probably, oh, take that too. There we go, got all the 4 pieces. Okay, so those go black. Or maybe just go up all the way around. Yeah, I'm gonna go make a line all the way around, and then just touch up and go right to the edge, maybe here. Or if I can see how the line goes on this little edge, this thing, which is lower than that trim. I don't like that. Or go up to here. You know, it's really hard. Do it around the fenders. Which, if I could find the gold paint to match, it'd be nice, but I don't think it's going to happen. This I got to get a new piece for, but it's black on the bottom there. Luckily the doors are in decent condition. Oh, one thing I do have are these. That is what's going on this car. Those are the grips, and those are the rims. If this thing doesn't try to keep walking away, so... yeah. These are supposed to be 19s for the other Mustang. But Those are actually the old Mustang's grips. They're really hard, so those will be the front tires. I'm looking for something better for the back. I'm not going identical tires all the way, all 4 around, because I want 275s on the back. Probably only going to be able to get 255s. Those are 255s. Okay, these are going to get painted. That's what I'm going to decide right now. So you can see, like, they're pretty dirty. All in there. And all the bottom. Okay, so what I'm going to do, simple abrasive pad. We're going to go all the way through it, get water in that. I'll wash it off, clean it all up, dry it up. Do I have any liquid down here? You know what? Let's see what the rust converter does to this shit. Just because is it an adhesive? Dries really fast. Okay, so now I'm just gonna get some soapy water, and then I'm gonna clean those, and then I'm gonna put some acrylic enamel. So it's my duplicate color. This is a gloss black, high gloss black. So I just did another coat to this, like literally 2 seconds before I put the camera on, or a minute or 2, and that's where I'm gonna go with this. So that did get 2 engine enamel coats. Don't do that. Go straight. Just this is now acrylic enamel. At least now it'll look a little shiny, because before it was like faded, dull kind of looking. And the can was a piece. Being, I don't like these kinds. They always mess up on me. And it seems like the holster on the top of it gets done. So I like these kinds with the sprays, like this style. It works really well. Like even these ones I don't really like too much, unless you have the nozzle piece. But yeah, get some soap water, clean them up, and they're gonna start painting. Okay, so I just really just washed it. Okay, you can't get this stuff out apparently. Like if you look in it, it's pretty much stained. Okay, so it looks like shit. But they've come out a lot better than what they were before. So knowing this just looks like that. So imagine that on the back of your car. Well, that's why we put paint on it. So the way I've got to do it, I got to paint around the edges. So that's going to be simple. Just I'm going to paint it this way, and then that way. But this will be the last piece to paint, because once I have all these paint, I'd only need down to a narrow strip. I'll just put one piece on here, move it out of the way, you know. So that's what I'm going to work on. That's next. All right, there you have it. That is all black, nicely coated. It looks pretty good. You can see the shine. Had to do the bottom side of them, so you lift them up, do under here, do the opposite, same thing over top. Because I even got around the backs. Pretty good. I'm having a hard day. My back went out Monday, so there isn't much that I'm going to do. That's it for today. That is all I'm going to do. I'm going to take a break off now till the start of next month for this, so I have a bit for my back to heal. And hopefully I can get that Audi fixed too. But that's if the back one worked. So I'm Duff, in the middle of nowhere. Like, subscribe, comment, and say share the video. Leave me a thumbs up, whatever. Do whatever you want. But give me ideas. What would be the easiest possible way of putting this piece in? Because this piece here has those little pieces that slide in. I don't know how to put them in. I'm probably going to go look at a video online. But if you see one before I find out, because remember, it's going to be a while before this goes back on the car. Well, that's got to get painted. That's probably going to be not next video, closer to the summer. But I did buy all the paint I need, so it's now a rust enamel and acrylic enamel. Got to keep out of that. But like always, have a good one.